with Unity.
Who? Oh, Unity. Yeah, well, I mean, honestly, we're talking about an entity that thrives on enslavement, you know? It's not cool. Fun's fun, but who needs it? We'll be in the garage.
I'm filled with madness, filled with sadness. I belong in the darkness. Every time I get hurt is where my heart is. Feel retarded when I try to overdose, but that's when my life hit the hardest. Feel like garbage. I need the pills, those the largest. The pills make me heartless. I need to hide where the darkest. My heart is getting stabbed by knives. Yeah, the sharpest suicide in my head. Suicide. Vows that I feel hopeless. Too many overdose. My life is at its lowest. I'm getting picked on like the throwers. I need closure, staying sober. It's harder than finding a four-leaf clover. I'ma keep doing drugs till my life is over. Depression shooting shots over like Red Rover, breaking walls down like a bulldozer with my fam. I'm just trying to get closer, just need someone to lean on my shoulder, making sure everything is okay, making sure my skies aren't always gray. I'm not just rapping to get paid, writing all my thoughts down helps me get through the day. The money's just a plus, what more can I say? When I was younger, for a better life I would pray, but they would never answer, so I didn't know what to believe. So I took religion, put it in a box like the door with the key. Now the closest thing I have to religion's waking up every morning and lighting up the tree. Lighting up the tree. Waking up every morning, lighting up the tree, huh? Lighting up the tree. Waking up every morning, lighting up the tree, huh?